Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Rates.ca insurance comparison, my Canadian rate shopping experience. Rates.ca insurance comparison is a Canadian online service that helps users compare insurance quotes from multiple providers. It's primarily aimed at Canadians looking for car, home, and other types of insurance, allowing them to find potentially better deals without having to contact each company individually. Key features include side-by-side quote comparisons and filtering options based on coverage needs. Their website provides details on the various types of insurance they cover, including auto, home, tenant, and travel insurance. Rates.ca emphasizes saving time and money by aggregating quotes in one place. They promote transparency with their comparison charts and aim to simplify the often complex process of insurance shopping. No specific technology is explicitly mentioned, but they connect with various insurance providers across Canada. Availability is Canada-wide, and you can check their website to confirm eligibility based on your location and insurance needs. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Rates.ca insurance comparison. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I entered my postal code, the type of insurance I was looking for, car insurance in my case, and some basic information about my vehicle and driving history. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. I appreciated the filtering options, which allowed me to narrow down the results based on coverage levels and deductible amounts. I could easily compare quotes side by side, seeing not only the prices but also the coverage details from each provider. The site loaded quickly, and the results seemed comprehensive, pulling quotes from a wide range of insurers. I was really impressed by how clearly the different policy options were presented. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to sort results by different criteria, like price, coverage amount, or company rating. One minor drawback was that I initially found the sheer number of options a little overwhelming. It took me a while to refine my search criteria to find the most relevant quotes. I also had a quick question about a specific policy detail, and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Rates.ca. While it might take a little time to navigate all the options, it definitely streamlined my insurance search and potentially saved me some money. That's my overview of Rates.ca insurance comparison. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.